How to install a kick plate with no holes. First, clean the door surface with an all-in-one cleaning product. Then wipe the door dry with a cloth. This is to ensure the adhesive gets full contact with the door. Any grease or dirt left on the door could cause the tape to fail. Once the door is clean and dry, you can mark the position of where the kick plate will go using a tape measure and pencil. Apply the liquid nail solution to the back of the plate. Line the plate up in between your pre-marked lines and stick it to your door. Apply pressure all over the plate to make sure it gets a good fixing. If the kick plate has a protective coating, you can peel this off now and you're all finished.